How to log in Character AI. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to log in Character AI. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is just go to your web browser and then just search up for Character AI. And then once you're done searching for Character AI, just click on the first link that will pop up. So I'll just click on this, and then after that we'll be redirected here in the home page of Character AI. So in the home page, Character AI will prompt us to create a free account or sign in. So if you have an account already, you can continue with Google, Apple, or with your email. But if you don't have an account yet, you can also still continue with your Google account, with your Apple account, or with your email. After that, what you want to do is just click on which method you want to use. So for example, I'll just continue with Google. So I'll just click on this, and then after that, just choose the Google account that you want to use. So I'll just choose this, and then after that, you are now signed in Character AI. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to log in Character AI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.